right, join me in this fun video where we're going to be looking at Faceless YouTube channel examples for 2024. We're going to be looking at 5 niches that you could go out and get ideas from. And I'm not telling you to go out and copy. Find your own way. Don't reinvent the wheel. So you can go into these niches, but also, you're going to want to at least change something 10 to 20% to make it unique and yours, and then you're going to have a winner, right? So let's begin. Welcome to Faceless YouTube Profits. This is all about how I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from one Faceless YouTube channel. If you want, you can go and check out some of the other videos on my channel where I show you right over here. I unpacked $308,000 with one Faceless YouTube channel right over here. This is not just theory. This is actually stuff that really works and that I'm teaching you on this channel. So if you are new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Let's begin. So one of the first ones we're going to look at is this right over here. Gohar's guide right over here, and then it looks like he's since then kind of changed it to Gohar Khan right over here. He's got 528 videos now. Mind you, most of these videos are shorts, and he is showing his face in a lot of these videos. So if we go over here and we actually show you these videos, these long form videos, he's kind of turned it into, these long form videos over here. But check out how he grew his channel. When you actually go over here and you start looking at shorts, you'll see that sometimes he shows himself, but most of them, when you scroll down, are going to be videos like this right here, where he's not on camera. Look at all these videos. They're getting hundreds of thousands of views. He's not on screen whatsoever. You could go out there and do this as well. These are kind of like life hacks, productivity, studying tips, and so forth, right? So you could do this. Look at, he just has a desk, a camera above him, and then he basically just does like a product review or something like that. Puts a notepad up right there. Now you can take inspiration from this, and you could technically apply this to almost any niche that you wanted to. You could get a whiteboard or a notepad and make little simple videos like that. Look, he's literally just recording the desk. This is super unique. Go check this out right over here. Now, if you want to know how much money he's making just from YouTube AdSense, that's all we're going to focus on in this video, is how much AdSense revenue from just being a YouTuber are these channels making, right? We're not talking about selling courses, the coaching, consulting, affiliate marketing. There's a lot more money. You can usually make 4 up to 10 times more from the links that you put in your description. I teach that in other videos. We're going to just be focusing on what Social Blade says that they are potentially making. And this guy has knocked it out of the park. It's rare to see anything with an A grade with Social Blade. And you can see right here, he's making up to $475,000 per month. I know this is extremely hard to kind of wrap your mind around, that he could be making potentially up to $6 million just from YouTube AdSense revenue. But you're going to see that he has 500 videos right over here, 4 million subscribers, but he's had 2.6 billion views, and that is what's getting the job done. It is an older channel. It could have been recycled. We don't know when he actually started uploading the content. You can go and look when the channel started growing. Right over here, it was just in December 2023 when he started getting 60,000 subscribers in 1 month, 90,000 subscribers in that month. And then right over here, you can see he got 110,000 subscribers in 1 month there. So the channel completely blew up late last year in December 2023. Now you can see right over here, each day he's getting over 4 million, 9 million views right there, 11 million views in one day. So this is so many views, it's hard to even wrap your mind around. And that's why he's making so much money. So 118 million views on average per month, 150,000 new subscribers. And you can see right over here the growth of this channel. So this is in the self-development, life hacks type niche, and so forth. Now, another thing that I like to do is I like to come over here and just kind of see, we would go back into the channel if you want to look at what they're, how to focus while studying, should you present first or last, how to get healthier. So you can go and get just an idea. And if you have, you can, like I said, change it 10% in your own twist, your own personality, then you could go out there and start building a channel like this. Let's go into the next one, guys. So Right over here, here is one called Toropia right over here. You can go and look at their channel stats, 2.4 million views per month, 20,000 subscribers. And this is just basically a faceless YouTube channel right over here. If we hover over it, you can see, look, it's just stock footage and they're just making videos that are getting 5 million views right over there. We can go over to popular. They have one video that got 23 million views. It was the 25 greatest natural wonders of the world travel video. And it's just, you know, edited. You can hire an editor to do this, or you can learn how to do it yourself. And it's just basically stock footage. And now we have AI that we could go out and actually get some really good footage, unique footage that you can use that won't get copyright strikes or anything like that. So this would be one that I think is very competitive. It will take a little bit of time to tap into this, but this could be a really, really good one if you can get a process going and outsource this to a team, or you could do this yourself. Now, Toropia right over here, you can see that they've been around since 2011. So again, it takes a little bit of time, right? They're putting a lot of time into each video and so forth. They're not just throwing something up in 30 minutes, but they're making up to $10,000 per month. And you can see that it's just evergreen. It's very steady. It's not blowing up. It's not losing, or, you know, it doesn't have a down curve or anything like that on the trend. I mean, they're just very steady right over here with views. So another $10,000+ AdSense channel right there. Now, what I like to do is sometimes I'll go in here and I'll just type in like best places to go on vacation. And then what I'll do is I'll start with a long tail keyword, best places to go on vacation. And then you can go over here like cheap vacations with family. So put a space right there. Best places to go on vacation in the US, best vacations to go on vacation with family. We'll click on that. And then you can see that the channel that shows up is this top 10 family vacations channel right over here. And this is kind of like, I'm just showing you like a gem in here on how you can do research. You can find these big channels like Toropia that has 1.5 million subscribers, right? You're not really going to be able to compete necessarily with this channel right over here. But when you can go in here and you can start looking at the types of long tail keywords that are being typed in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words are in that search string right there. People are searching for that. And look, best places, family vacation destinations in America. So this one shows up, and look, they only have 9,000 subscribers. They don't even have 10,000 subscribers. And you can see that this video was created 2 months ago and got 10,000 views. So I like to go in and analyze those as well. So this Travel Guides USA right over here, like I said, just 9,000 subscribers, 90 videos. This is really, really good stuff. And then you can go in here and actually look. It is a faceless YouTube channel, much like Toropia, where it's just stock footage, right, with a voiceover. And we'll go over here and we'll look at the Social Blade and see what it's saying. So this channel is already making $1,000 per month with just AdSense alone, and under 100 videos that they've created right there, right? And so if they have any links in their description or anything like that, then they're going to be making more than this. They could be making, and you can see that the channel growth right over here is that it's really starting to take off and get some growth right over here. They're kind of hitting their growth spurt a little bit right now. And you can see they're getting almost 300,000 views over the last 30 days. And here's that growth spike right over here. They are actually starting to tip, the iceberg is tipping. They're starting to get more traction, more subscribers, and more views on the channel. Okay, so that's just a tip how you can find a niche within a niche that you can go in and then start looking at. So here's another one, guys. So we have Gravity Transformation Fat Loss Experts. They've got almost 6 million subscribers, and you can see we hover over this. Now the guy does come in every once in a while and talk a little bit, but you can see right over here the thumbnails like that. And most of it, I'd say 70 to 80% of the videos are completely faceless. You can just ditch being on screen. You could create videos just like this. Find an editor that can create videos like this. You're going to go out there. You're going to need to get some scripts and all that stuff, but you would be able to go out there and do this as well. Now, something that helps them is that they've got very, very intriguing, captivating, engaging, scroll-stopping thumbnails, and you're going to have to hire a designer to create some thumbnails like this, because that's what's definitely helping them get clicks on these videos, right? Okay, so then how much are they making? We'll come back over here and we'll look, and the channel is an old channel. They've got almost 1 billion views, 6 million subscribers, almost 600 uploads, and they're making around $22,000 per month from this channel. And you can see right over here, 5.5 million views per month on the channel, and that's why they're making so much money. Even if this was cut in half, they're making between $10,000 and $15,000 almost for sure. You can almost guarantee that. And if they're at the high end of CPA, or not CPA, how much they're actually making per 1,000 views, then they would be making $22,000 per month. Okay, so there's another one in the health and fitness lose weight niche right there. Now we can look over this one, this Aperture. I found this one as well. This one is a big channel, 2.29 million subscribers. Everything that they do right over here is just stock footage, Faceless YouTube right over here. You can just, scroll over it and look. It's stock footage and so forth. You can go take a look at this. It's very creative as well. We can go look at what they're doing over here, and they have been around since 2017, 186 million views, 2.29 million subscribers, 375 uploads. So they've definitely gotten to work on this channel. And you can see that they're making up to almost $10,000 per month, and they are getting 2.2 million subscribers. What this tells me is that this niche has a lower CPM, or cost per 1,000 views, but still the channel is making about $100,000. It's a six-figure channel on YouTube with just YouTube AdSense alone. Still very much worth it. And you can see it's very steady right there as well. And let's keep cruising. So another one that this is what I specialize in, and this is my favorite type of channel to create because it's super, super easy. All you have to do is just go out there and learn a software and then just create videos on it. You'll be able to create the content yourself. You'll be able to, do unscripted videos where you don't have to go and hire a script writer. You don't have to hire a video editor. You don't have to, anything that's software tutorial based or review based is really, really good because all you have to do is just have a microphone and a computer and an internet connection, and you just push record, and then you go and teach people what you know about a software. So we can come over here and just look. This guy teaches all kinds of software. He's all over the place. You're not going to be able to get 3 million subscribers. It's not that realistic. Here's another one right over here, 1.5 million subscribers. Not realistic. I like to come down here and start looking at stuff like this edits right over here, or this slide skills. So we go and look at this slide skills, 5 best morph transitions in PowerPoint 2023. They did this video a year ago. It got 776,000 views. And so what we can do, these are evergreen views as well. Like if we actually click on this video, we'll open it up right over here, and you can see that this is literally steady views per hour. So this would be a great video to make content on. A lot of times videos have just a small life and then it just goes away. This one in particular is continuing to get views every single day, 70 views per hour, updated recently, even as much as yesterday. So what you can do is you can go and analyze this channel. It is literally an entire channel with 152 videos on it with over 300,000 subscribers. It's called Slide Skills. It's all about PowerPoint. Every single video that they come out with is going to have the title PowerPoint in it. You can see right over here, PowerPoint, 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 PowerPoint. Most of the time it's going to have PowerPoint. They do some other things as well, but 90% of it is PowerPoint. And you can see the amount of views that they're getting. Go over to popular. That was their popular video right there. But look, 500,000 views right over here. Stunning animated title slide right over here. Boom. So that entire channel, if you like PowerPoint, if you like Google Slides, if you like Google Microsoft Excel, if you, any kind of software, Canva, whatever, you can go and create full-blown channels just about one software. If it's a big software, I don't recommend doing it if it's a smaller audience software. PowerPoint is the most popular presentation software, so that's why they're doing really well. We can also go and analyze and look at what's going on over here. It's a new channel. This is really, really impressive. This has only been around since January of 2023, so it's just barely over. It's not even a year and a half old yet, and they're getting $7,100 per month just from AdSense alone. And come down here and scroll and see that they're getting 1.7 million views per month. This is an evergreen niche. You're going to continue to just get views and views and views and subscribers. They're getting 17,000 new subscribers per month right over here. You can see that this is a nice growing channel as well. So what did we learn in this video? Come back over here. Make sure to subscribe to Faceless YouTube Profits for more great information like this. Now, we learned that there is a life hacks productivity niche that you could get into. There's a vacation and traveling. I showed you a couple channels there. I showed you a really large channel, and then I showed you a channel that only had 9,000 subscribers that's getting hundreds of thousands of views and making really good money as well. You can tap into these niches, guys. Fitness, lose weight right there. Self-development and self-improvement right there. And then PowerPoint software tutorial right there. So there's some really good niches. These are all Faceless YouTube channel examples in 2024. You can go out there and crush it. Thanks for joining me. Make a comment below if you watch the entire video. I much appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.